Hello everyone, this is Randolph Parker, MS. Welcome to the channel. So what we have here is a basic emitter follower circuitry using discrete components. So what I'm going to do is I have all the components down where I have the correct transistor, which is the MPS A42 NPN. I'm pointing in. So what I'm basically going to do is put the circuit together and just quantify the numbers, take measurements, and see what we have. I like to build up the circuit first because there's only four components, and I'm using my Rocketbook, Locomotion. Just I like using the Rocketbook, and I can hand sketch the the circuit onto there, and then what I could do later is go to like a circuit lab and build the circuit, the schematic digitally, and have that in the cloud. Along also with what I can do with the Rocketbook, I can take a picture using the QR code there or the box, and then I can store that onto my phone. And basically, I use Microsoft OneDrive. Again, no promotion. These are the tools that I use, and I can have that for a later date in a folder that I can take anywhere. I can retrieve from my phone. So those are the three different methods that I use to record and track what I'm doing. And first, I have that. I have the schematic, and I can leave that little schematic, that little circuitry, those components onto the Rocketbook as long as I like. And I can use a little bit of water and a cloth and I erase it. It's gone. But I normally just leave it there. And once I run out of spaces, I probably just erase it later. But I would make sure I get to the end if possible. And then again, I have the backup with the circuit lab where I just basically just do that same circuitry onto the circuit lab and just use it for a later day. So yeah, so I'm not going to bore you with those, with that information, but yeah, those are the methods that I do. So this is a basic circuitry that I'm going to, for audio, basic audio design using discrete component, an emitter, follower, and see what this baby does. And, and keep building up from there and use some RF stuff. I have a lot of schematics and different books. I have use the Arduino, and I will use the Raspberry and use the microcontroller to see how we can integrate the microcontroller along with discrete components to add some other functionality, and that's how you learn. You just constantly keep building on until you have a complicated intricate circuitry and you like it, you got it in your circuit lab, and then you can breadboard it and not then use the perf board and then use the PCB later and have your working circuitry. So again, this is Randolph Parker MS, and come sit with your science, information, innovation, technology, and I see you on the next time.